5 years after our first baby. 2 years we prayed for you. And 9 months of growing for the both of us. On January 1st, 2018, our baby girl Serenity Sapphire was born. And just like you, Sapphire is rare and takes years to form. We had to nourish you with love because just like you, all babies deserve the very best. And that's how the Alikay Naturals Baby Sapphire collection was born. After my first child, Landon, was born, I realized that there weren't a lot of truly natural and organic baby product lines out there that I could actually trust to nourish my baby's hair and skin. This time around, I wanted to make sure that I had all the essential products to provide for my baby's needs, both for her hair and for her skin. That's when I went back to nature, back to my roots, and asked my yaya what herbs and oils she used in the islands when we were babies. With some advice from my grandmothers and my experience, I created the Alikay Naturals Baby Sapphire collection. Each product in the Baby Sapphire collection addresses a need that I had as a new mom trying to care for my baby. It's an all-natural formula that contains only the best and safest ingredients from nature, like lavender, shea butter, and aloe vera. The pure baby butter is an ultra-hydrating, moisturizing product, perfect for babies who have eczema or skin that's prone to being really dry. The baby body lotion is a great product for busy moms who want to make sure their baby's skin is nourished and hydrated. Using aloe and shea butter and a special blend, this product is perfect for your baby's skin. The curling jelly is a gentle gel that will define your baby's curls without leaving it feeling dry. Still soft and amazing to the touch. Being a part of the TTC community and finally being blessed with another baby has been one of the most life-changing experiences of my life. And because of Baby Sapphire, I was inspired to create the Alikay Naturals Baby Sapphire line. And I am so excited to share it with all of you amazing moms and parents and everyone in Alikay Nation. Because your babies deserve the best, like my baby deserves the best. Thank you to everyone in Alikay Nation, our family and our friends, for all of the love that you have sent us in this amazing journey. So head over to alikaynaturals.com right now and purchase this amazing collection from my family to yours for the special gem in your life.